So what up guys, we are in the process of measuring the K series to get our engine stand going. Got Lewis here, big chest. Lewis big chest here. We're doing the motor measurements, and then we have our material here. We have about 12 feet of square tubing.
Cut it on the outside. There we go. Bueno.
All right. Good?
Now we just move this over.
Dude, if it's like, you think we did too wide?
We went over, just it's better to go over.
As far as the width of it, or should it be skinnier or what?
What do you think? We can move this over this way. Or there, actually, yeah, we gotta move it. Yeah, this way. This should hold.
All right, now I'm gonna weld it up. See how you like it.
Want me to do the whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay, let me
I want you to experience it.
get this whole thing.
Immersion. There we go.
See if it works.
What?
1 degree. Yeah, so they level out the oil pan.
Yeah.
They also offer it lean.
Sick, dude.
So they offer the regular flat.
Yeah, you can have either or.
Literally just move it 1 or 2 degrees.
If you guys don't know about Vegas Boost's channel, give a shout out to your channel, brother.
Vegas Boost, man. I'm here working with Diymike.
Find him on YouTube. He's gonna show you. If you have any questions about K-swap MR2s or MR2s in general, hit him up. All right, well, we got holes drilled out for the stand. Let's do an example. We wanted some extra, we have to mark.
Basically sleeve it so that the load is on the tubing instead of just the bolt.
Exactlamundo. All right guys, so this is where I'm at currently. Instead of welding these directly, I'm gonna put a sleeve on there and weld it. I'm gonna put a sleeve on there and weld it. The reason being is that so it doesn't have to be precise, that this can just basically like go over, it can go over. Alright, this is stand so far. I gotta use these Harbor Freight wheels in order to put this here, so I'm gonna drill out a hole. I'm gonna drill out a hole using a small one first and then enlarge it. And I'm gonna actually weld this onto here because the stud doesn't go all the way through. So that's a step that I'm doing. Alright, so this is the stand so far. I tacked everything up, the wheels on. Did we do it? Did we make it into the stand?
We did it, dog. Well, you did it.
Hopefully.
We watched.
There you go.
Dude, no way. It actually works. Get out of here. How?
It's really close to that thing.
It's just chilling. Oh, all the okay. Yeah?
Get a close up of this?
You gotta get all out. I mean, it's weak.
So I gotta weld like sleeves on here to make sure, cause we made it too wide, but it works. Out of my hair.
Hang on.
This is a tranny? Look at
You
that.
had a tranny on it if you like.
Oh,
I mean,
pretty good, right?
it doesn't. It's stable.
It's not like Rocky.
Like just literally like just roll underneath the car. I guess
See?
that's what you made it for, right?
Yeah, this is what I wanted to do. So you put a swap in, fits right there. Boop.
Yeah, it's the right height, and it's out of the way so we can put motor mounts on. T-bracket, there's enough room to put the T-bracket on, and then you can just unbolt it from the tray and move it.
Sick, sick. Look at that, in action, in motion. Whoop. There you go.